Since I've returned from Vietnam, I've had really terrible biryani in Islamabad. I've had a great burger. I've had a decent nihari. I've had some amazing Thai food. So, what's next? In every Islamabadi's journey, or should I say quest to find good food, they eventually end up on the motorway. This week I'm headed to Lahore because थोड़ी सी बस हो गई है इस्लामाबाद के खाने से. I'll be reviewing some of my favorite Lahori restaurants that I visit every single time I go, as well as some new gems. Some will be desi, some will be vilaiti, burger चीज़ें भी खानी है और Lahori specialties भी खानी है. सब कुछ खाना है. So, let's go. Ministry of Food Affairs is headed to Lahore. Just getting onto the motorway. अभी ये कौन सा है? इसका नाम क्या है? ये रावी इस्लामाबाद टोल क्या है ये? इस्लामाबाद टोल प्लाजा. इस्लामाबाद टोल प्लाजा. हाँ, भूल जाती हूँ. I'm currently on my way to Lahore. I just got onto the motorway, and the plan is कि मैंने वहाँ पे 7-8 दिन जो Lahori specialties हैं, things that Lahore is particularly famous for. Not burgers and patties and इस तरह की चीज़ें, pizza वगैरह, but like pie and Lahori naan chane and the fish at Mazang I've heard is really good. So इस तरह की चीज़ें मैंने try करनी है. I'll have some burger खाने as well, but primarily it's going to be desi. Are you a baby? Are you a cute baby? You're the best baby. You wanted to sit in Popo's lap? हाँ? आप टिक के अपने कैरियर में नहीं बैठ सकते? हमें गोदी में बैठना था तो हम इतला गए. I have arrived in Lahore, and I know I said कि मेरा दिल कर रहा है to only have desi food, but as soon as I got here, मेरा दिल करने लगा कि मैं जाके Bamboo Union खाना खाऊं. Bamboo Union is a restaurant here in Lahore that I come to every single time. They always have amazing food. It's very, I think they have Chinese, Thai, Pan-Asian type cuisine. And I don't really count that as burger khane. So I'm going to go have that. I've heard it's shifted to a new location. So in a way, it will be a new restaurant. I haven't been to Lahore in a really long time. I think the last time I visited was in 2021. So it's been quite some time. I never really used to like Lahore when I was younger, but as I've grown older, Lahore has really grown on me. These lights, I know some people don't really like them, but for some reason, I really like them. They always make the city look super festive, like it's some special occasion. It has gotten very smoggy though. I don't remember it being this bad the last time I visited. Also, the last time I visited, I came to Bamboo Union even then. But back then it used to be at Mall 1 and now it's at this new location. For Lahoris, it might not be a new location, but for me, it was, since I haven't been here in so long. I really like the new place. It's so spacious, and I'm guessing they get a lot of customers now. But I was surprised to see it so empty, which got me wondering. Guys, why is this entire restaurant empty? Is it not cool to eat here anymore? They also have an outdoor area which is also empty. I don't know why. Okay, first question, why is this place empty? I'm a little alarmed. Okay, is the food not good anymore? I came here about 2.5 years ago और तब ये होता था Mall 1, जो पुराना Bamboo Union था और वो काफ़ी छोटी जगह थी. This is massive, but it's empty. So I don't know, have Lahori stopped coming here? Is the food bad now? What is it? I don't know. Let's find out. The good thing about less people being here, or actually no people being here, is कि शोर नहीं है. And also I was able to request them कि please आप music बंद कर दें, and they very kindly agreed. वो restaurants, you know, जिनमें बहुत ज़्यादा शोर हो रहा होता है, I usually leave with a migraine. So I'm really happy about that कि इन्होंने very kindly they agreed to my request और music इन्होंने बंद करा दिया. I do not like loud music playing when I'm having food. Okay, menu इनका जो ऐसा मुझे याद है वैसा ही है. So I'm happy about that कि इन्होंने कुछ ज़्यादा drastic changes नहीं किए, other than the prices of course, क्योंकि महंगाई हो गई है यार, तो prices तो बढ़नी थी. But let's see what I'm gonna have. I usually used to have their Thai green curry, so I might get that. अच्छा, मेन्यू काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड हो गया, वो मैं बैक साइड देख रही थी खाली. अब तो बहुत सारी और चीज़ें हैं. सो यूजुअली व्हाट आई वुड गेट इज़ वन ऑफ देयर करीज़. ये जो इनकी ग्रीन और रेड हैं ये बहुत अच्छी होती थी, आई रिमेंबर. एंड इन देयर चाउमिन वाज आल्सो रियली नाइस. सो मे बी आई माइट ट्राई समथिंग एल्स दिस टाइम. So I've ordered the Chinese treasure soup, जो basically it's their interpretation of 19B soup, and I've ordered Thai green curry, जो कि मुझे इनकी बहुत पसंद है. I've had it before. I wanted to play it safe. I'm just going to order that. Let's see if the new place can live up to the old standard. My soup is here. Looks so good, and they've got the crackers and everything with it. Let's dig in. अब कुछ लोग आ गए हैं तो अब मैं थोड़ा सा आहिस्ता बोलूँगी. But I'm gonna try my soup without the seasoning पहले to see. Big prawn chunk in every bite. Excellent. I just want to put some vinegar in it, and that's it. Nothing else. You know what? Let's go for it. Let's put everything. Let's put some soy sauce. Let's put some vinegar. And let's put some chili. Guys, I'm halfway through my soup, and please look at the amount of chicken and prawn and mushroom. Like, quantity इनकी इतनी अच्छी है. I'm literally in heaven right now. Guys, the food is here. मैंने green curry मंगवाई है with sticky rice, and my brother has ordered nasi goreng, which is fried rice basically. Let's dig in. Oh, I can't wait. Moment of truth. Oh my god. These guys have maintained their standard. I am so happy to see this. So happy to eat this. The curry is not watered down. It is perfect. A lot of places get Thai red curry wrong in the sense कि वो उसका flavor ठीक कर लेते हैं पर उनकी curry watered down हो जाती है. So this is just perfect. I'm going to try my brother's dish now. Can't wait. It's so close to authentic nasi goreng. I'm actually surprised because Indonesian, Malaysian, मैं कैमरे में देख रही हूँ या नहीं? It's so close to authentic nasi goreng because usually Indonesian, Malaysian खाना, Pakistanis don't really eat that much of it, but this is really good. एक सेकंड, अभी तो नहीं किया. They've even got the excellent. Guys, I have to whisper now because all of a sudden this place is full of people. मैं बाहर निकल के बताती हूँ. Okay, in true Islamabadi style, मैं 7:45 यहाँ पहुँच गई खाना खाने रात का. एंड लाहौरी 9 बजे से पहले खाना नहीं खाते. सो अभी 9 बज रहे हैं एंड आई एम लीविंग एंड पीपल आर नाउ वॉकिंग इन. सो दैट इज द मिस्ट्री ऑफ द मिसिंग कस्टमर्स रिजॉल्व्ड. कल जब मैंने जाना है जिस जगह, वहाँ पे मुझे किस टाइम जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं फिर से वो बोंगी हरकत ना करूँ कि वो कोई भी नहीं आया हुआ. अपेरेंटली 9-10 बजे यहाँ लोग आते हैं खाना खाने, घर से निकलते हैं. तो इस्लामाबादी तो 9 बजे घर पहुँच के बिस्तर में चेंज कर स्किन के रूटीन कर रहे होते हैं अपनी. Okay, now that my craving for Bamboo Union has been satisfied, I think I'm ready to go have some desi khane, jo stereotypically Lahore ke desi khane hai, like naan chane, pie, champe, fish, Lahori fish. So I think I'm going to start doing that from tomorrow. मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि यहाँ कोई लक्ष्मी चौक I guess जगह है और उधर की चांपें बड़ी मशहूर हैं. So I'm going to probably go and eat those tomorrow, and I think I'll put that in a separate video. So if you want to check out my review of some champe at some Lakshmi Chowk, you can check out this video right here.